Do you read me? Come in, please.
If you can hear me, I'm going to attempt to send that QSB song through now. Pretty great.
You're close, I've got you within my range. Try to align on the heterodyne. Not quite, I've lost you again, my friend. I know you are there, but I'm not sure where. Can't you zero?
All right, well, the first thing I want to talk about is this new antenna analyzer made by Comet. We've got 1.8 through 500 megahertz, so it covers 220 and the UHF band, which is unique. It does two functions. It does SWR and impedance, total impedance. We're going to demonstrate it right now, hooked up to a dipole. So first thing we're going to do is check, switch this over to the range that includes 40 meters. As we turn the dial and we get close to the 40 meter band, excuse me, let me get it to the 40 meter band. We're going to see where the SWR drops down so we know where the antenna is tuned. 7.177, 50 ohm impedance. Two functions, SWR and impedance. What it does, but it does it well, it does it right. This is a new item out, it's been out about a year, made by Comet, the CAA 500 antenna analyzer. All right, we took a look at the CAA 500 and the new version coming out from Comet, which will also do the same two functions, SWR and impedance. It does it, instead of 1.8 to 500, it's 1.8 to 270. So people who don't really need to pay for the extra frequency range of UHF, but still want 220, this new version's coming out in the middle of summer. The CAA 270, because it covers up to 270 megahertz. Same functions, SWR and impedance. This is your frequency range selector. This is your frequency dial. So this item is coming out soon. Look for it at the dealers, the CAA 270.
He helped me out.
All right, so another fairly new item from Comet, it's been out about a year or so, but still new to a lot of people, is the CTC window gap jumper. What it's made out of is flat coax. So if you need to route your coax, rather than drilling a hole through your condo or apartment, you can slide it through the channels of a typical window. And because it's flat, it will compress, it will form to the window. You can shut the window and lock it, where a lot of people can get coax through, but they leave their window unlocked. That makes people nervous. Bad weather, snow, rain. This allows you to lock your window without drilling holes in your wall and bring coax inside. 15 inches total length, SO239 connectors on both ends. Available from all the ham radio stores right now. What we're looking at now is the 5-band dipole antenna that is used on the set of Last Man Standing. They tried several antennas up there in the rafters with amongst all the wiring, all the air conditioning ducting, just could not get SWR down. Same problem a lot of people have in condos, homeowners associations, apartments. It's tough to get a good HF antenna in a small area, but Comet engineering staff has designed this antenna specific for that need. So if you're ever listening to the Last Man Standing, watching the show, and Tim Allen's sitting at his desk, turning the VFO, this is the signal that's coming through this antenna down onto the set. 5 bands, we've got 40, 20, 15, 10, and 6 meters. Each antenna element for each band is tuned individually, so you can tune this tuning stub, slide it in and out to set it to the exact frequency you're going to transmit on. Small, compact, 5 bands, about a $325 antenna, designed specifically for economy and small, tight areas.